Good day, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and of course, we're just a day away from the official start of winter, which officially starts tomorrow on Wednesday. But we've got some winter temperatures for you this morning. We've got temperatures in the single digits away from the coast over the interior of northern New Jersey, the lower Hudson Valley, and a temperature is basically running in the teens and low to mid 20s just about everywhere else. It's bone chilling cold out there. Got very little wind this morning, but with factoring in the winds, we've got temperatures in the single digits to the teens across the region. Skies this morning are generally clear to partly cloudy. There are some areas that are experiencing cloud cover, and that would be of the high variety as jet streak clouds are moving in, the cirrus variety. Water vapor channel pretty bone dry across central and southern New Jersey. A little bit more water vapor channel energy here coming out of the Great Lakes into the northeast this morning. High pressure is in control, so there's not much going on the radar this morning across our forecast zones. And we can see upper trough here approaches by the Great Lakes and some lake effect rain showers here, or snow showers actually coming down on this satellite imagery. This imagery here, this is actually snow across the Great Lakes here, but high pressure is in control of our region for today, tonight, and tomorrow. On the aviation weather deck today, we're basically dealing with some scattered conditions this morning and then scattered to broken cirrus during the afternoon at 20,000 to 25,000 across the region this afternoon and evening. Variable winds less than 5 knots, becoming more south-southwesterly at less than 10 knots this afternoon, becoming light and variable again tonight. VFR conditions for Wednesday, some increasing clouds in the afternoon and night, northwest winds at 5 to 10, becoming southwest in the afternoon and south-southwest at 5 knots or less tomorrow night. On Thursday, mainly VFR ceilings for a time with a few light, brief showers possible in the afternoon and early evening with a weak cold front moving through. The moisture, however, looks limited for this system. Southwest winds at about 10 knots, becoming northwest at 10 to 15 knots and gust up to 20 knots in the afternoon, then diminishing at night. Friday and Saturday right now, VFR anticipated, however, a weak cold front may arrive from the north on Saturday night. Pretty benign weather as we head into the holiday weekend here. Outside of Newark this morning, it's cold. It's 19, dew point 7, humidity 57%. The wind is out of the northeast at 8. A few clouds at around 25,000. Otherwise, VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia is a chilly 21 this morning, dew point 7, humidity 53%. The wind is northeast at 3. Clear skies, VFR conditions in place. Pretty quiet in the weather department over the next couple of days. A weak trough approaching from the west as high pressure moves off the coast. Pretty dry. Southwesterly winds turning around with high cirrus clouds through the forecast region, and basically just dry, seasonably cold for this time of the year, but nothing out of the ordinary. And as we head into Thursday, a weak trough will be approaching from southeastern Canada, probably touching off a few light rain or snow showers. Most of this will be very light, and most of this will be out of our forecast zones. And as we see that on the GFS as the low heads out into the Atlantic here, high pressure then begins to build in again for Friday and Saturday, which is Christmas and Hanukkah. Basically dry conditions. Looking for a front to pass through and then stall somewhere to the south during the second half of the weekend. On Sunday, it's going to be Christmas and Hanukkah here. But it looks to be mainly dry. We await the next cold front and system approaching from the west on Monday. That could touch off a few rain showers across the region as it makes its way through under a mild regime. Then we return with another frontal system approaching during the midweek period, and this could be approaching with a warm front and rain developing across the region on Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night and early Thursday morning before that feature sinks further to the south, and another stronger system coming in towards the Great Lakes, introducing the threat of generally rain across the region as we head into Friday the 30th. Looks like that's going to sweep off the coast on Saturday the 31st for New Year's Eve, followed by some cold air and mixed clouds and sunshine, some lake effect snow showers on Saturday the 31st. Generally rather benign weather until we get into the first part of January. That looks benign too. Monday the 2nd of January, another front approaching with generally rain showers across the region as low pressure heads into Canada once again, sweeps another cold front. Chillier air follows on Tuesday the 3rd, but generally dry conditions. No snowstorms in sight at this time. Temperature forecast over the next several days, we're in the 30s today, which is a little bit milder than we were yesterday. It was very cold and blustery yesterday. Temperatures warm up on Wednesday ahead of the front. Temperatures again in the low to the mid 40s, which is about normal for this time of the year. And also December, tomorrow actually is the first day of winter. Temperatures on Thursday will be in the upper 30s over the interior to the low and mid 40s at the coast as another weak system moves in. That crosses the region. Friday, we get into the low to the mid 40s. Saturday, Christmas Eve, and we're generally running in the low to the mid 40s across the region, 50 or so around the coast and to the southwest. On Sunday, Christmas and Hanukkah proper, it looks like temperatures are going to be in the low to the mid 40s with no driving concerns for the holiday. And then as we head into Monday, temperatures are going to rebound into the upper 40s and low and mid 50s across the region. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You have a great Tuesday. We'll see you bright and early on Wednesday morning.